Hello guys, I am Surbhi and today I'll teach you how to draw a mandala from beginning. So if you are a beginner, keep watching because I'll be explaining everything in this video. So for drawing a mandala, you only need a few things. First of all, you need a drawing sheet or you can use a drawing book, but the paper should be good in quality. It should be like around 180 GSM because if you draw a mandala on a lower quality paper, it will ruin your drawing. And then you need a protector, a scale, a compass, a pencil, and a pen. If you have a fine liner, you can use that, but if you don't have a fine liner, you can use any black gel pen. I'm also using a black gel pen in this video. So you can make a mandala using a gel pen. So let's begin. So the first thing you need to do is to find the center of your drawing. The length of this page is around 21 centimeter. So I am marking the center at 10.5 centimeter. So we will draw a line at this center, a straight line, and we will also draw a line like this. And now we will make the grid for our drawing. Place your protector at the center. Make sure that it is correctly placed at the center, and then mark at a distance of 10. I am marking at a distance of 10. Make sure that it is marked correctly because it will help in drawing. We'll do the same on the other side. Place the protector at the center and then mark at a distance of 10. After marking this, we'll draw lines for our grid. So make sure that every line you draw passes through the center. Just like this. Make sure that it passes from the center. Draw the grid very carefully. Just make it pass through the center and draw these lines correctly so that our patterns in our mandala will be similar. So now I'll complete the grid. And now we will make circles. So first make the smallest circle. So the radius of this first circle is around 1.5 centimeter. And now make all the circles. So after drawing the grid lines, let's begin. We'll make a line at this first circle, and now we will make rounded petals in all this. A petal in one, like this. This is a rounded petal. So make a rounded petal in each. So in the first row, we will be doing this rounded petal only. So let's complete our first row by drawing these rounded petals. So our first row is completed now. In the second row, we will draw rounded petals with 1 in 2. In 2 grids, we will make 1 like this. Use the 2 lines and make 1 rounded petal. Make 1 rounded petal using every 2 lines. So let's complete this row by making the rounded petals in. So in this round, we will make some patterns, and so double the lining of these rounded petals and make a line in the center, and at one side of this line make some lines, and at another side just make a dot. Double the lining of these rounded petals, make a line in the center, draw some lines at one side and make a circle. We will continue this in this round 2 like this. Now we will make one more circle here. And then we will make them with pen. Now we will make one petal in each line. One petal like this in every line. And now we will double the lining of these petals and make a line and a dot. Double the lining of the petal, make a simple line and make a dot. Continue this in the whole row. Make a line and a dot. And now in the next row we will make petals like this. Using two lines but not completely, making a petal in the center of these lines like this. Use two lines but not use them completely. In this row we will be making patterns like this. Now double the lining of these petals and then make a little circle and make some petals like this. Double the lining Make a circle and draw 3 petals in each one of these. So we will repeat this in the whole row and complete this. And now we will make the circle with pen. Then we will also make a circle inside the circle from here. And now we will make lines in this complete circle. So let's do. If you don't want to make lines, you can also fill this circle completely black. But I am making lines. So make lines like this. So make these lines all over the circle, or you can make it dark completely. So after drawing the lines in this circle, we'll fill this circle, and I'm going to fill this completely black. But again, your choice. If you want to make lines in this one, you can definitely make. I am filling this one. After this one is done, we'll make this circle completely dark, just like this. Erase these extra lines. And the mandala is completed. So let me know in the comments if you find this video helpful, and tell me in the comments what kind of tutorial should I make next time. Thank you.